In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Subitems in Monday.com fast and easy. Monday.com is a versatile project management tool used by countless teams across the globe. One of the features that enhance its functionality is the use of subitems, allowing you to better organize your tasks and projects within the platform. By understanding how to effectively manage these subitems, you can boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. First, let's look at how you can expand a parent item to view its subitems. When you're managing a project, each task can have its own subitems, which contain crucial details or smaller tasks related to the main one. To view these subitems, simply click on the expand icon next to your parent item. By doing this, you unveil a more detailed view of your task that includes all its subcomponents. This visibility can be incredibly valuable, helping you see all the smaller tasks nested within your primary item at a glance. Now on to editing subitem fields directly. In Monday.com, once your subitems are visible, you have the ability to customize any field to ensure all the information is up to date and relevant. This could mean editing the due dates, changing the subitem's status, or assigning it to another team member. For example, if one subitem is a task that needs to be completed by the end of the week, you can click into the due date field and make sure it reflects this deadline. Editing directly saves time and keeps everything in one centralized location, allowing for seamless collaboration across your team. Next, organizing your subitems is equally important, and Monday.com makes this easy by allowing you to reorder subitems simply by dragging and dropping them in your preferred sequence. This is especially useful for prioritizing tasks. Perhaps you have several subitems under a parent task, but one is more time-sensitive than others. Simply click and hold the subitem you wish to move, drag it to the desired location in your list, and release it in its new position. This intuitive process ensures that your most urgent subitems are always the first ones you see. Lastly, let's talk about cleaning up your workspace by deleting any unwanted subitems. Over time, certain subitems may become redundant or irrelevant, and removing them can help maintain a clean and organized project board. By clicking on the three-dot menu next to the subitem, you will find the option to delete it. Confirm this action, and it will be removed from your list. This step is crucial for keeping your workspace tidy and ensuring everyone on your team is focused on the most pertinent tasks. By following these steps, you can master the management of subitems in Monday.com, enhancing both your and your team's ability to handle projects effectively.